So, hey guys, welcome
everybody.
to another episode in our wedding series.
Yep.
This is DIY on a budget, type of easy DIYs for a wedding on a budget.
Just DIYs that helped us.
Yeah,
because we were on a budget for our wedding.
A really tight budget.
Yeah, we really didn't intend to spend a lot, but we still wanted the day
to look nice.
And to look a certain way because we're very particular about stuff like that.
Right.
Just a disclaimer. I just wash my hair, so if you wanna see the products there, it will dry. Don't worry.
Okay,
don't worry.
Whatever.
Video coming soon. Actually.
Well, right. So the DIY for a wedding, we basically did a lot of things on our own, in terms of the designing, of the invitations, the stamp on our wedding. But just a lot. Just basically just the small things that some people might not take notice of, but. We were basically just intricate in what we wanted for our wedding.
Yeah.
And we went with the tropical theme.
Yeah, we had a tropical themed wedding.
Yeah.
We liked the bright colors. We had navy and gold were our colors.
Right.
But it was a tropical theme.
Right.
So we're just gonna talk about 6 things that we did that definitely helped to cut down on costs for us. This is not bashing anybody or any company who actually does these things as their business.
Right.
But just for us personally, we chose to go this route because we don't have a bag of money like you nice, good, rich people out there. But trust me, the money is coming in Jesus' name. Amen.
Right, amen. But if you do choose to do it on your own, these are simple ways and things that you can find on the internet.
Yeah.
If you don't have a Pinterest, I suggest that you get a Pinterest account right now. Amazon, what else? Where else? Amazon was like
Pinterest
our main
and Amazon.
Our main
definitely get those 2 sites.
Right.
Go on those 2 sites. They're very resourceful. Yeah. Get a lot of ideas and stuff like that.
Yeah, Pinterest for crazy ideas because we went on Pinterest. We were like just strolling through what people had done before and just to get ideas of what we wanted for ourselves.
Yeah.
For a theme and the things that we wanted to incorporate in our wedding.
Yeah.
So what we want to start with?
Okay, so the first one is our invitations and envelopes.
Okay.
All right, so we have an invitation here.
Yeah,
we went with let me just try to cover up the name because the name is there. So we went with the we call this a brown envelope. And we got these off Amazon.
For like, how much was it? $9?
We got 100 for probably like $9.
Right, around that area.
I don't remember, but about something like that.
And you get burrata in it as well, because it wasn't like straight 100. We
got a few extras.
Right.
Yeah. So this is the envelope that we went with here.
Right.
And then in order to, I guess, give it our personalized touch, Sean actually designed a stamp. Which is right here at the top.
I'm going to try and show it to you, the design itself, so you can get a idea of what it looks like.
So basically, we had an engagement shoot, and we basically used one of the pictures from our engagement shoot
to create this
stamp. We did all the cutting out of the stamps.
Yeah.
I'm not good at the cutting, so I was like, Sean, I will stick them on, but cutting, I can't do that.
Right.
Because my hand is just steady. Understand? So so that's the outside of the envelope. So and we got them from Amazon. So this is what our invitation looked like. We told you before that it was a tropical theme, and our colors were navy and gold, so you can see them there. We had 4 different sections. One of them we got from the place that we had our gift registry.
Right.
So what we designed was the invitation itself, the RSVP, and if persons wanted to give a monetary gift, we had our account information on it, which we're not going to really show you right now.
Right.
If you don't want to give money, you can DM we or find us somewhere. I will tell you. Only if you're serious. To tie in with the whole brown envelope vibe, we actually purchased this burlap string, which was very handy. It came very handy for all the invitations. We tied them ourselves. Again, we cut them out ourselves. We got them printed. Sean was the one who did the design.
For this.
All right, tell them about the design part because that's not my
forte. So, again, it's tropical theme. If we can just take this out of the burlap.
Yeah.
Again,
so
I'm going to try
to kind of hold them
together. So again, I'm going to try and give you a closer look of the design in Photoshop. So I basically used Photoshop to create the design. I got the leaf design, just Google something, and print it. you know, just to put something really nice together on the fonts and everything. We went on this site where we saw the concept.
Yeah, because at first, funny story, first somebody had told us about this site, and I can't remember what it's called right now, but there's this site where you basically have templates, a whole heap of templates, hundreds of templates that you can actually just put in your information and purchase it, and it comes already cut. You get the envelopes. If you want curly edges or straight edges or triangular edges, you can do that. But when we actually took a stock and checked it out in terms of printing it ourselves at our little link where we have, it really would have cut it like
tremendously. Tremendous cutting.
Yeah, tremendously. So if to print 80 invitations, was like $70 or something like that.
It would come up to like $20,000 just to print the invites alone. The invites alone.
Yeah. And remember, we were doing RSVP cards and
the monetary cards.
Yeah.
So again, you know, we basically just stick with the theme. So the invite, the RSVP, and the monetary thing, they all have the same color and just the theme around them. So I try to stick with that just to incorporate our theme of the wedding for the invites. Yeah. So we actually found this a design kind of similar but not really that we're actually gonna go with. And then when we realized that it would have been more cost effective to do it ourselves, we just kind of tweak that design and just, you know, work with it over time. We say, all right, we need to darken the color, or we can have some more colors in there or whatever. Well, I did have another concept in mind because I said tropical. I'm going to show you that one, but she was like, no.
And I'm sure you guys are going to say it. But anyway, that was our invitation that we did. And then for the front of the envelope, I just asked my mother with the good handwriting, yes, Denise, big up yourself, to write them on.
Denise.
Yeah, so we just bought a colored gelling pen. And
locally, the burlap we bought locally.
Yeah, we bought the burlap locally and the pen locally. We bought them at the same place, Ligani Drug and Gardening, Kingston, in Ligani. Yeah, they have a lot of artsy stuff too, just in case you're an artsy person and you want to know.
You can link them.
Yeah. So we actually got a lot of the stuff from them. Alright, the second thing is
cake boxes.
The cake boxes. Yeah. Now, I don't have any.
We don't have one
to show you, but basically what we did with, again, it was a brown cake box, just like the color.
Hopefully I can find like a footage of something like.
Hopefully. And basically what we did, we made a circular sticker. We made a circular sticker again. The same design.
With the theme tied in and everything.
Right. And we actually had the date on the bottom of it. It's not here, but that's what we did. And we basically just bought 100 boxes, I think.
On Amazon.
Yeah. And they were very cost effective as well, very cheap.
And then you do get barter for some of these things.
It's telling you that you got an extra too.
Yeah, we got. It was extra too?
Yes, it wasn't a lot more.
Okay. Well, still.
Anyway. So we built the boxes. We did everything ourselves.
Right. It wasn't hard to build because it was already kind of set in our way. All you need to do is just unfold it and just put it in it.
Yeah. So we assembled all the boxes and put the sticker on top of it, and that was our cake boxes. So that's basically it for the cake boxes. Yeah. Nothing long. All right. So our programs, again, we stuck with the same design. Right. Which Sean will show you here. He works really hard on this, no lie.
Yeah, a lot of back and forth just to create the program. Yeah,
but wanted to get it right in terms of spelling of certain things and the whole how it looks, and for it to be aesthetically appealing. Yeah, so it basically has the same theme
with
as the rest
flowers
of the stuff that we had.
And all of that.
Yeah.
Again, designed it in Photoshop. It's similar to the invitation, just the change of color of wording and just a few minor tweaks to it. We got the sticks, the fun sticks. We ordered them on Amazon.
Yeah, we ordered them on Amazon.
They came brown. I had to buy paint here, and I painted them blue to match the color. At the back we have cartridge paper that we bought and cut out to just glue it on the back.
Backing, and make it look different, and make it a little more sturdy. Because the paper that we printed it on wasn't as sturdy, and it was a summer wedding, so we thought that it would be best to go with a fan. We're having our celebration after the ceremony, you know, outside. So we thought that it would have been cute, but also practical and relevant because you know it's summer and it's hot and it's Jamaica.
And to get the curve, you know, edges. Basically, I designed it in Photoshop as well. So all I do is just cut it out. That's basically it.
You designed it with the edges, so you just follow the edges and cut them out. As I, you know, so me never cut them out because we manage that. As I say, he works a lot on the designing of stuff and the cutting of stuff, which is a lot. So
a lot of hours put in for the wedding.
Yeah, but it was all worth it. It was all worth it. Alright, so that was the
husband material.
Yeah, he's already married. And no, you don't have no brother. Like the most of people ask me, Sean have no brother. You don't have no brother, okay?
Alright, let's move on to the next thing.
Alright, so number 4, the 4th DIY is our souvenirs. Alright, so we wanted to do something personalized as a souvenir. We didn't want to give the regular what people always give
stuff.
Oh no, you know, we wanted something that, you know, people will actually see, like people can actually see it every day and remember, you know, our day and stuff. So we decided to go with a picture magnet.
Right. We ordered them on Amazon as well.
We ordered them. They were reasonable as well, very reasonable. And basically we used one of the pictures again from our engagement photo shoot. We actually really love this one. Yeah, so we Sean basically edited and put our names and the date there, and then we got them printed and he cut them out and put them inside, and then we got these little gold baggies from Amazon as well, and very, very reasonable as well. Most of the quantities that we got were like 100. All of them were 100. So for the envelopes, the cake boxes, these, and the fridge magnet, it was 100. And as I said, they were very reasonable. Very reasonable. So so that was the souvenir.
So the only thing I really had to do was to just get the image to the size that fit in. I had to measure the fridge magnet, then put the image, design it to a way that I can cut it out, put like multiple on one sheet to cut down on the printing cost, of course, and you know, we got it.
Alright, so number 5, this was Sean's again another thing that he works super hard on, and you know, the vision that
get the balloons.
The vision that we had discussed, he definitely brought it to life. So we might have footage or we might have a picture of it, of the backdrop that we actually created. We created this backdrop like at the entrance where people would enter, because we had our ceremony at at my church. So we actually designed a backdrop. Sean actually got the palettes. He actually painted them with the cherry varnish. Hopefully we can find a clip, as I said before. And we ordered the balloons. They spell love, but the L and the V deflate.
No, I think it was the L.
The L deflated.
The L, I don't know. When I blew it up, kind of
popped.
One of the sections wasn't sealed properly. So I tried to tape it up. It stayed for probably 5 minutes.
Little bit, and then
it just deflates. But the C, the V, and the L. The O, sorry. The O.
Yeah. So we bought a set. The set came as love.
Right.
We bought it on Amazon again. Very cheap. It was probably like $10 or $9 for the for all of them.
For the word.
You will see some sellers on Amazon actually selling single letters, which didn't make any sense to us. We're thinking at one point that we could get Henry, because that's my last name now, Henry. Yeah, so we're thinking to get each letter, but it would have worked out more expensive, so we just went with love. And as I said, all of them came together and they were gold, and gold was a part of our theme color. We also got some, because we live in Jamaica, it's a tropical place. We have a lot of palm leaves just around the place. So we actually got some of those, and Sean actually put them strategically on the backdrop. Something else that was on. There were flowers as well, other tropical flowers that we got from our floral arrangements at the wedding. We actually were able to use some of those on the backdrop as well. And then we wanted people to be able to take pictures there, like, you know, if
somewhere
they
nice
come
and
early or, you know, before the celebration started after the ceremony, you know, they could take pictures there. So we also got props as well. Forgot about that. We got some props. Yeah, we got some props. Sean's gonna run and get those. And persons could, you know, the usual is like a little photo booth, I guess you could say, and they could just, you know, put up the little things. I know my little kiddies, Jada, Jana, Manny, Joel, they enjoy that part of it. So yeah, they said different thing, you know, Mrs., Mr., team bride, team groom, wine glasses, you know, simple stuff. And again, these were very, very reasonable. Yeah, so, you know, the regular stuff. Yeah. Sean gave me the Mr. one, I don't know why. But anyway, yeah, so that was our photo booth. Our photo booth backdrop. It really came out really nicely. And I think people got a lot of lovely pictures from our backdrop. If you want to see some people at the backdrop, you can search our hashtag Here Come the Henrys 2K18 on Instagram. And you will actually see people posing behind the backdrop. Some people post still and them don't use our hashtag, but them well and a big up a backdrop. But anyway, big up themselves. It's all good. They had fun.
Right.
Alright, so the last thing were we made some signs to the entrance. It said welcome, ceremony, reception. And then at the bottom it had our hashtag, our Instagram hashtag, Here Come the Henrys. Hopefully again we can find a picture, a clip or something to show you guys that. But tell us about how you made that, because again that was something that Sean really worked on.
So basically what I did was the palettes that I got a lot of palettes, right? So what I did was basically just, you know, cut the palettes how we wanted it to, you know, show where is where. So where's the ceremony, where's the reception, etc.
So there were like arrows,
right? And then I basically just trace on the wording on it and just, you know, make it look nice. So you could see, you know, the different areas that, you know.
So Sean traced that. He painted it.
Painted it as well.
He nailed it on the stick and came and installed it in the ground at so where we had our wedding.
Right.
And yeah, it turned out pretty well. And we actually were able to use some of the flowers
on it as well.
The flowers that we had left over. To use on it as well. So those were all the things that we did. We also did one more thing as well. We had a sand ceremony.
Right.
And we got this really cool idea from Instagram. So this is our thingy. Again, you see it has the same theme.
The sticker on it.
Yeah. And we actually, I don't know, Sean found some way to actually get the sticker on it using tape. Like
this is
clear tape.
This is clear tape.
Yeah.
So basically, you print whatever wording you want on a, you know, clear paper, like a white sheet of paper. And then when you do that, you cut it out how you want it to cut out. You put it in water, let it stay for like 2 minutes. Then you wash it off a little, rinse it off a little, and then you paste it onto whatever you want to paste it on.
And it literally actually came out.
And it came out really nice. This for her.
Oh yeah, hangers. You should show them
the hangers
as well.
Right. That was it was pretty easy, but tedious. Let me go for the hangers.
Yeah, so this is actually more than 6 DIYs because we're really telling you other stuff. But guys, overall, this really helped to bring across a lot of the details that we wanted in the wedding without having to go to a company to do it.
Right.
And I mean, it does help that Sean is very creative and he has graphic design and stuff,
and these are pretty easy stuff that you can do by yourself. Again, this is literally tape that I use.
Yeah, literally.
And it looked like, you know, it was made
and
somewhere.
So we bought the hangers ourselves out here in Jamaica. I think I had spoken to a company and it was like $500. Oh no, yeah, $500 each to do the printing. And then I was just like, nah.
Yeah, it cost me less than that. Just get some
literally
paper.
It didn't cost us a thing. The only thing that we bought were the hangers, and I mean, we still going to use the hangers anyway. So yeah.
This is for the bridesmaid.
Yeah. Shanique was my bridesmaid, and this was for me.
Yeah.
So that is our little DIY video.
Right.
You guys should comment below if you guys are getting married soon, and if these DIYs actually helped
some more
you.
ideas, some concepts.
Or if you want some more concepts and ideas of how we actually made.
I think we should try and link, you know, the different stuff to it, the video. You know, so we can, you know, you can click on the link and go to where we get the ideas from. So
yes, so Sean will link those one heap of things that he purchased.